Good morning friends, welcome to the teleconferencing session of School of Agriculture. Today we will be covering the diploma program in value added products from fruits and vegetables, and we will be covering the course 4, Processing Engineering 1. Friends, you know this course consists of 4 blocks. Block 1 is Introduction to the Food Processing Engineering. Block 2 is Unit Operations. Block 3 is Development of Fruits and Vegetable Products, and Block 4 is Plant Layout. We have structured the 2 sessions in such a way that the first 2 blocks will be covered in the first session and the remaining 2 blocks will be covered in the next session. For the first session, we have with us Dr. D.V. Samuel, who is the Head Post-Harvest Technology Division, IRI Pusa. He is man of food processing engineering from a premier institution, IIT Kharagpur, and I am sure the subject cannot be handled better than anyone else by him. So I will request Dr. Samuel to tell us about the food processing engineering.
Thank you, Dr. Saluja, for a brief introduction about me. As you are aware that food process engineering is a very important area in our lives. Food is one of the very important aspects of our life in the sense that it is one of the major lifelines of our own doing things, our working, and we do require energy for day-to-day life. People go to work, housewives work at home for their domestic life, so we all need energy, and energy comes when we eat our food. So food is very important for our lifestyle. Food process engineering is an important area in the area of foods. The reason being that food cannot be taken straight away. Food needs to be processed before it is taken and consumed by human beings. The main idea of processing the food is not only to convert it in a palatable form, but also to make it free from pathogenic microorganisms which spoil the food when it is kept for some time. We need to work hard to see that the food which is served to the consumer is in a better form, it is more attractive, it has a good appearance, it is palatable, and it is also safe. And in order to do that, the food process engineering becomes very important. Today I would like to present to you some of the important concepts of these 2 blocks which I am going to present to you. I am not going to present to you everything, but I am going to select very specific aspects of these 2 blocks, and we will pick up one point after the other. Later, if you need, you can ask questions and we will answer those questions. First of all, I would like to talk to you about the necessity of the processing of food. Why do we process food? Once again, the idea is, the concept is used to determine how long it takes to kill a specific microorganism at a specific temperature. I am presenting before you a slide. Please look at the slide, and you see on left hand side on the y-axis we are showing thermal death